Good morning, student. This is our English class. Okay? In English, what we are learning, we have already done how to ask question in singular form. Okay? Now I am going to teach you in plural form. I have teach you, again I am teaching. Okay? In plural form, see here. In singular, you use is and this. Okay. For making a question, we are using is this dash. Is this something like that and a question mark. Okay. Understand? But if the things in plurals, okay, if the thing in plural, then what you will write? Our question will start these. Okay? Our question will start are these. Are these dash? Like, is this a bag? So here, are these girls? Okay? Are these girls? Here will be the question mark. Okay? Understand? First difference. If there is one picture, it will be singular and question will be is this a? Okay? Now the thing is plural. So, are these girls? There will be picture of two girls, suppose. So, question is are these girls? Answer. In singular form, answer start with it. First, yes or no. If it is yes, then yes, it is. Okay? It is. But here, since you know they are girls, okay, here you will not use it. Okay? You will use they. What you will is yes and no. They are in singular form it. If it is yes or no, you use it. So same thing in plural form. You have to use yes or no, but use they. T-H-E-Y. They. What you will use? They. Okay? So answer will be are these girls? You are seeing the picture? Yes. So what you will write? Yes. Why yes? Yes. Yes. They. T-H-E-Y. They are girls. Yes, they are girls. Okay? Understand? Understand? Okay? Understand? We write yes and we use they. They are girls. And suppose the question is are these boys? Now the option came if here boys. But we are seeing that this is a picture of girls. And I am asking are these boys? Then your answer definitely no. What will be your answer? Your answer will be no. What? No. No. Put a comma. They use they are. No, they are not. Okay? They are not. Okay? Then next, first you say no, they are not. Then you what you will say? They are. You have put a full stop. Then you will write in capital letter. First what will be in? Sorry. First letter will be in capital letter. They are. Now tell them what they are. They are girls. Okay, understand? No, they are not. They are girls. Understand? So this is the difference. In singular, our question start with is this, and in plural, our question start with are these. Second difference, when you give an answer yes or no, you have to use it. But in plural, when you are saying yes or no, you have to use they. Okay? They. Understand? Then again, now let's see the book. Page number 32. Okay? ARERTHES, these. No, yes, and they. Okay? See here. Picture. There is picture two girls. What is the question? Are these boys? Then what you answer? No, they are not. No, they are not. Full stop. Next, they are girls. Okay? Use of they. They are not. They are girls. Okay? Now see the next picture. These are the three kites are there. So question is, are these birds? They are not asking are these kites. They are saying are these birds. What you will say? No, they are not. Okay? No, they are not. These are kites. Okay? These are kites. Understand? Now next see. See these two flowers. These two flowers. Sorry, are these birds? No, they are not. What these are kites. You will not say they are kites. They use only for living things. Okay? Not for non-living things. Kites are non-living things. They cannot breathe. Okay? Now that is why these are kites. Here they are girls, but here these are kites. Okay? Now come to flowers. Are these flowers? Are these flowers? Yes, they are. Again, use of they are not, you will not write. They are only you will say. You will say, yes, they are. Okay? They are flowers. They are flowers. Done? Now, next, we have to practice. Picture of two cows. What is the question? Are these horses? Answer will be no, they are not. They are cows. Okay? No, they are not. They are cows. Understand? Now come to next picture. Picture of two goats. What it is? Two goats. Then question is, are these dogs? Are these dogs? Answer is, you are saying these are dogs? No. Then say, no, they are not. They are not. They are goats. Okay? They are goats. Next, two cats are there. What is the question? Are these cats? Are these cats? You will say, no, they are not cat. You will say, yes. Yes, they are. They are cats. Yes, they are. They are cats. Okay? Understand? So this is all about in plural how the question is. Go through it. Learn it. Write and learn. Okay? Now come to our next topic. Page number 46. In 46, we are going to read this word. C-H-N-E-A. C-H-I-N, chin. Chin means this one. C-H-A-P, chap. Chap means little boy. C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Chicken you eat. Meat of hen and cock. Next, rich. Big people having lots of money, property, cars. Rich. C-H-I-T, chit. In a piece of paper, you are writing something that is known as chit. Okay? Then T-E-A, tea. Tea means in the morning your father mother drink tea. Okay? It is a beverage. Next, B-E-A-T, beat. Beat means beating. Giving thrash. Beating. Then E-A-T, eat. Eat means It. You are eating. Then SEAT, sit. Seat, not sit. Seat means in a bus you go and sit there. That are seats. Okay. In any cinema hall, picture, movie, there many rows are there. In one place you are sitting. That place is known as your seat. Then TEACHER, teacher. You know, I am a teacher. I am teaching. So this is teacher. Again we are going to repeat. Chin, chap. Chicken, rich. Chit, tea. Beat, it. Sit, seat, teacher. Go through it and learn them. Okay? Today's teaching over, students. Thank you.